Good morning. Thank you for calling room service. This is Kiara speaking. How may I help you?
I want to order some food.
Certainly, ma'am. Do you have the menu with you? It's on the table next to you. Did you see it?
Yes.
May I have your name and room number, please?
My name is Ivy and my room number is 387.
Thank you for that information. Okay, ma'am Ivy. Room 387. May I take your order?
I want a pancake with bacon and a cup of coffee with toast bread.
Is that anything else that you would like to order?
That would be all. Thank you.
Okay, Ma'am Ivy. May I repeat your order? You order for a pancake with bacon and a cup of coffee with toast bread. Is that correct?
Yes.
Your order will be delivered within 15 to 20 minutes.
Okay. Thank you.
The total amount of your bill is 1,525. Are you paying in cash or change it to your room?
Pay in cash, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Is there anything else that I can help you?
No more. Thank you.
Thank you for calling room service. Have a nice day. Room service. Good morning, ma'am. I am your room service attendant for today. This is Ma'am Ivy, room 307.
Yes.
Let me present to you your food. This is your waffle with bacon and a cup of coffee with toast bread. Is your bill, ma'am?
Any credit card?
Sige, ma'am.
Here.
Just wait for 45 minutes. Thank you.
Thank you.